so today I'm here to talk to you about the Alya Skin Pink Clay Mask. And I was sent this product to test out, and I'm actually really excited to try it. I did read a few reviews on it, and my biggest thing with skin is like, is this product gonna work for sensitive skin? Because my skin is very bougie. And 9 out of 10 times, it doesn't always receive stuff that well. So what I have read is that it does work well for sensitive skin. I've already washed my face. I have no lotion on. This is why I look this way. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this mask for 10 minutes, and then I will come back and show you guys the difference or what I've seen. I'm gonna also give you a close-up right now so you could just see my skin, this is really a bold move for me to get this close to the camera. But I want you guys to be able to see some of the problems that I tend to have in my skin. So I do have large pores right here. I have some fine lines that it's just early in the morning, and I have a few more over here. Don't mind my stash. Some darkness over here, and a little bit of texture up there. So I'm gonna see how this is gonna maybe help combat really the large pores and some of the texture around my nose in 10 minutes. This guy is thick. See that? It smells really good too, so I'm excited. So let's go ahead and start right here. High, a thin layer it says. I know. It smells good, but it kind of reminds me a little bit of paint. Avoid the eye area. Oh wow, I've got a mountain. I'm not even in the jar yet. It's on the lid. I look pretty. Let me finish. Guys, it's been approximately 10 minutes. I need to take the stuff off. It's pretty much hardened. I really miss my melanin, and I feel like if I saw myself like this in the middle of the night, I'd be pretty scared. So this is warm. Let's see if it does it. I normally don't remove stuff with a washcloth like this. I just find it easier to put the actual water, but let's see. I got a little off. I mean, I already wet this, but let's just look at it. Yeah, so far they look a little smaller. The craters on my face. Half done. I'll be back when it's all off. Okay guys, so before I go in and put my moisturizer on, I wanted to give you guys another close-up of my skin. All up close and personal. Okay guys, so I've gone through now and put my moisturizer on, and as you can see, my skin looks soft. I think that's probably the first thing that I noticed is just it feels softer. It looks a little bit more plump than it did before the mask. I think that my pores minimized a little bit. I know that I have like problem pores is what I call them, because a lot of things that are supposed to help minimize have to work really, really hard to do that. So I think it's over time the mask kind of could work for my pores because they seem a little bit smaller. But I don't really see the like full transformation that I think I could have if I've tried this mask a few more times. So I'm gonna give it another try, but I mean, just feel wise, my skin just feels really smooth, like especially my nose. My nose usually, because it has like a little, which actually I think they're not as noticeable, the bumps. Yeah, well, wow, that's a change. It just usually feels like a little like, and right now it feels very, very soft. My skin hasn't really reacted negatively to the mask. Like I said, I have sensitive skin, so usually doing like clay masks or masks that harden give me a little irritation, but for the most part, you know, no redness, no itchiness. I think overall, like I haven't been barefaced on camera for y'all in a while, so I'm glad that this mask was able to kind of help me like the way my skin looks a little bit more, and I'm excited to try it again. This is what it looks like in the jar. I don't know if you guys can really see if it was pink on my complexion, but it is a pink clay mask, and that has a lot of just benefits. The mask was to detoxify and brighten. So actually I do, like, just looking here with the moisturizer on, same lighting, same everything, no filter, I do feel like my skin looks brighter. It has a little bit more of a glow to it. And I think that that is due to this mask as well. Give this brand a try if you have not. I think that it's really great, and I'm excited to try it again. I'm always eager to add a mask to my kind of skincare closet because typically I use the same cleanser, but I like trying different masks to see how they pair with my cleanser and how I can perfect my skin a little bit more. Definitely look in my description box below for more information on this product, and I will see you guys next time in my next video.